Don't be too shy.
Where'd he go? Wait, hang on.
Oh, okay. All right. I apparently have to do song and dance here now. So, two Jews walk into a bar. They say, "Is this beer kosher?" I don't know. I don't fucking know.
Here it comes.
Yeah, let's get excited. Fucking monkey pants are packed house in front of monkey pants. All right, come on, loosen up a little, people. This is teamwork tonight. We gotta get through this together. It's teamwork. You guys with me? Yeah, you guys are with me? Just kind of loosen up a little bit. You know, move your shoulders back and, you know, just get ready here, folks. Because once I say 1, 2, 3, I need everybody to make some noise. And I promise you, if you make some noise, I'm gonna make you fuckers laugh. The more noise you make, the more I'm gonna make you laugh. You guys ready? Yeah! Come on, I want to hear it. Come on.
Yeah!
This is monkey pants, monkey pants, monkey pants. Let's do some comedy. This is monkey pants. Yeah, let's hear it, people. Oh, hey baby in the front row. Hey, it's just you and me now. I need you to do me a little favor. All right, all you're gonna do is open the book. We're gonna count here together. We're gonna go to page 1 and then page 2. All right, so we got something on page 2. That's my joke book. So if you just start reading stuff off, then I'll start remembering the jokes. Can you help her out there real quick?
Read.
Right. I didn't realize I needed to ask.
Okay, I got it.
All right, say it nice and loud if you don't mind.
That's what she said.
D-I-O. Broccoli?
Broccoli? That doesn't matter. I didn't know it was fucking spelling bee night. Alright, what's the next one?
Okay, broccoli.
Okay, keep going.
Milk.
Milk.
Plums, you got right.
Okay, plums.
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Cheese.
Chips.
Water.
Water.
Jock itch cream.
Jock itch cream. Ah, give me that back. That's my shopping list. All right, I forgot my joke. I forgot my joke book tonight, so I guess I'm just gonna have to go ahead and wing it here. So, anybody got any suggestions or anything, or? Yeah, that's fair. All right, I got one. I'll tell you what. If I thought of this the other day. I was like, if I was a business guy and I needed to come up with a new product, what I would come up with is the perfect cologne that smells like hairspray and faggots. And how I would come up with that is just take a trip to Scottsdale. I fucking hate that place. Oh yeah, and
Some of us live there.
yeah, sucks to be you. Anybody down for doing some gambling tonight?
Sure.
Well, if anybody here can put a hat on this head, and if that hat fits my head, I'll give you $50. I mean, look at this fucking thing. It's the fucking biggest head in majors when I was 7 years old. Si no te crees este divertido, tú puedes suck my dick. Oh yeah, I speak Spanish, by the way. Alright, here's another one. So, last night I was laying in bed with this girl, and you know, we were just laying there. This girl was just giving me the hardest time, and she starts yelling at me, and she says, "God, why don't you just put some clothes on, you asshole?" And I said, "Fuck you, Mom, I'm going home." Alright, I'm sorry, I'll go ahead and close it out with this one. Oh yeah, so you gotta imagine, I'm kind of a wild animal, and sometimes I like to. And the other day, I was at this party, and I met this girl, and she wanted to. And so I take her back to my house, and then later on that night, and then 2 days later, I take her to, everything's going great, and I take her to a show, and I haven't seen her since. 2.5 minutes in the show, she left. I demand an explanation. That's just ridiculous. All right, thanks, guys.
Josh Dent, everybody. Who's really turned on right now? Who's really weirded out right now? Alright, let's keep that energy going for your next performer. He's new to this stage. We're excited to have him out. Please give it up for Marcus Williams, everyone.